Welcome back to Zodiac Universe, the place where the stars speak and your destiny unfolds. Today, we explore the Aries horoscope for December, a month filled with warmth, emotional clarity, and surprising connections. This is not just another month for you, Aries. December carries a soft glow, a gentle magic, and a comforting sense of renewal that follows you into the new year. So take a deep breath, settle in, and let the universe guide the message ahead. December begins with a feeling that is almost impossible to put into words. A calm joy rises inside you, a sense of lightness that makes everyday moments feel softer and more meaningful. It's a mood people often describe as being in love, even if love itself isn't the source. It's a quiet happiness that grows from within. During the first days of the month, you may find yourself appreciating your life more deeply. You might feel grateful for how far you've come, for the people standing beside you, or for the positive direction ahead. This emotional glow acts like a warm blanket, wrapping around you throughout December. A bloom of joy. There is an area of your life, your work, your personal connections, your creativity, or your inner growth that begins to flourish. You feel inspired, aligned, and connected to your path. Even in ordinary situations, there is a sense of richness you haven't felt in a while. A few minor challenges may appear, as they do in every month, but none of them have the power to touch your mood. Your optimism stays strong. Your balance remains steady. The joy you feel becomes a source of strength that carries you through any small inconveniences with ease. A friendship deepens. One of the most meaningful shifts this month involves a person you've known for a long time. Someone familiar, someone who has always been around, but someone you never truly explored deeply. This month, that changes. A conversation opens up. A moment of honesty brings clarity. A shared experience creates closeness. You see a new side of this person, a side that draws you in, warms your heart, and helps you understand them on a different level. This discovery deepens your bond and helps you appreciate them in a way you never have before. It may feel like a door opening that had always been there but never pushed. This connection becomes meaningful, grounding, and emotionally comforting, especially as the year comes to an end. Small problems, easy fixes. Around the middle of the month, a minor issue may arise, something small involving your daily routine or a commonly used object. It could be your car, your washing machine, a gadget you rely on, or something that simply needs a quick repair. There is no need for worry. This issue is small, manageable, and easily resolved. It barely leaves an impression on your mood. Your overall emotional strength makes this moment feel insignificant, something you handle and move on from almost instantly. Financial opportunities arise. The third week of December shifts your focus toward finances. This may involve planning for the upcoming year, considering new responsibilities, or thinking strategically about long-term stability. During this time, a positive financial development may appear. This could be a new income opportunity, a helpful lead or project, a bonus or raise, practical financial advice, a path that increases your earning potential. Whatever form it takes, it provides clarity and confidence. You feel encouraged about your financial future and more secure heading into the new year. This opportunity isn't dramatic, but it is steady and meaningful, the kind that supports long-term growth. A heartfelt end to the year. As December moves toward its final days, you become more reflective. You think about this year, what strengthened you, what challenged you, and what shaped your hopes for the future. With that reflection comes a desire for closeness. As New Year's Eve approaches, you may feel a strong pull to spend it with someone special. This may be a partner, a new romantic interest, a close friend, or someone who brings comfort to your heart. You don't seek noise or distraction, you seek sincerity, connection, and emotional presence. Expect a meaningful moment near the end of the month. It may be a conversation, a shared silence, a confession, or a gentle emotional exchange that stays with you long after the moment passes. This experience becomes a quiet but powerful ending to your year. December's emotional theme. When you look back, December reveals itself as a month full of inner joy, deepened connections, light, manageable challenges, new financial clarity, heartwarming emotional moments. It is your emotional reset, your peaceful bridge into the next chapter. Thank you for listening to Zodiac Universe. If this reading resonated with you or helped you understand your path forward, remember to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you never miss your monthly horoscope. Aries, your fire guides you, your courage protects you, and your heart leads you toward a brighter future. Until next time, may the stars light your way and the universe support every step you take.